we're at Hunter Mountain to do a couple of hours of snowboarding. I'm with my buddy's 2019 Golf R. This is Lucas. You remember him from Canada. This car has a massive trunk. Take a look on the inside. We're gonna take it for a spin later, but look at it. Not bad at all. And it's a 6-speed manual. And we're done. It was a very good day today. 2 old men still got it, right?
Oh, yeah.
We've been at it for many years. Few falls. Every year gets more difficult when it comes to doing tricks, but we're still doing it. So let's hope we continue doing it until we get really old. What happened to the other half of the car, Lucas?
I don't know.
Okay, it's my first time driving this car. Lucas is gonna allow me to take it for a spin. Oh my god, the clutch is still soft. You know what I need to give you, Lucas? Clutch stop. Alright, let's see. Is the car warm? Alright, yeah, it's almost fully warmed up. Where are the paddle shifters? Why is it blinking? Put your seatbelt on, man. Alright, second gear. I have to say, shifter feels awesome. There's a bit of a turbo lag, but that's to be expected with a 4-cylinder. But other than that, it feels nice. Let's take a look at it from the driver's position. So this is about my eye level, well, a little below, so it doesn't block my field of vision. So first things we notice, the steering wheel is actually very nice. What I noticed about this car is the steering wheel is actually on the large side, and the reason being is it's larger because you need to be able to see the screen, the beautiful digital screen. And on this screen you have, just like most modern Volkswagens and Audis, you have the digital speedometer, tachometer, and then your GPS, and you can change all the options here. I really like how big the screen is, and it's touch screen, and it's got Apple CarPlay, which I really like. Volkswagens are known for their shifters, and this one doesn't disappoint. And again, it just seems like a pretty nice car, very peppy. Woohoo! Alright, the car does feel peppy. It's like a go-kart. Lucas calls it a go-kart, and now I know why. Let's see. Oh yeah, very nice. Turns in very well. This could be slippery, but we've got 4Motion. And we caught up with the crowd. We're gonna do a proper video review of this car during the summer when the car is cleaner and we have more time. I'm gonna walk you through the features, although this car's been around for quite a while, so most of you know this car, but Lucas is gonna put some personal touches in it that you might like it and find interesting, so we'll go ahead and review those. But in the meantime, I wanted to thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little clip. If you like this video and you want more of videos like that, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always,